Proof that vampires are real. In February 2013, in a small village called Mberingwa, Zimbabwe, a hit-and-run accident left 4 children fighting for their lives. However, before any help would be rendered to the victims, a group of people clad in black robes swiftly converged at the scene. It was only after they left, when witnesses noticed that the bodies of the victims were completely drained of blood and had bite marks along the side of their necks. This sparked outrage, and village leaders initiated a witch hunt to track down the people involved. Interestingly enough, it led to a cult worship sanctuary, where it was said that weird animals were stored, all drained of their blood, with the people who were living in the place long gone. Village leaders refused to acknowledge the supernatural nature of this incident. If snails are so slow, why does nobody ever see them coming? It's always like, damn snail. It's never like, hey, you see that snail over there? It's always...
Oh, hey, if you guys ever been going, with that okay. I'm being having migraines sometimes too, but that's what I'm using. Good head. Nobody wanna be in having bad head. That's what good head, it's only all natural migraine relief. Good head not being a pill, it's a drill. Because with good head, you can suck the pain away. Good head being the perfect size so you can fit more than just a tip. But being careful, because too much good head can be really sticky. And even though it being small, it's still being choke and hazard. With good head, you just wanna be in suck until you come for the ball. But don't be selfish. If you know somebody who having a lot of headache, you can give them that good head. Good head. Suck the pain away. But if you're being travel a lot, that's okay. We also have a road head, only available at the sprout.
Need us for our poop, huh? Watch it. See? It's like they're collecting it for something. What do you think they're doing with it? I think they're using it to make chocolate. Have you ever had a piece of chocolate? No, exactly.
Get the health. Right hold. One right on me. Oh, is that you?
Infinite possibilities lie throughout the board.
Perhaps you'd understand me better if you came to watch me dance.
I see prosperity in your future. You can still turn the table.
Pound for pound, Chang'an City's top boxer. That's me.
The will to fight is stronger than steel.
The past is born of the future.